Hello, nice to meet you. Would you like to have some coffee or a glass of water?
Camera is on. You can answer now.
How do you cope with stress on the job?
You can answer now.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of gas turbines over IC engines?
You can answer now.
Explain stages of combustion of SI engine.
You can answer now.
Explain any two lubrication systems used in IC engines.
You can answer now.
Explain the step examined critically of method study.
You can answer now.
Explain 6 lines of attack to improve productivity.
You can answer now.
Explain the concept of productivity and total productivity.
You can answer now.
What do you understand by facilities planning? What is the importance of it?
You can answer now.
How do you schedule and commit to your own quality time?
You can answer now.
On what occasions are you tempted to lie?
You can answer now.
Now we want to hear from you. Do you have any questions?
You can answer now.
Thank you. Our HR executives will be in touch with you shortly.